Right, good morning all of you. Right, shall we start the lesson then?
Okay.
Right, we have to continue the lesson time, right? So, that day I have given an exercise. Have you done that? Or that day we have discussed this one? Alia?
You didn't give me an exercise.
Sorry?
You didn't give me an exercise.
Here 4.1 I didn't give. Oh, that day I think I have discussed with you this one.
Yes, we discussed.
Right. Then I'll move to next part of the lesson. Right? Here. Right. Midnight, midday and AM, PM. I think I didn't explain this one. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, right. We'll see. Look at this picture. What can you say about that?
It's a timeline.
Yes, timeline, right? So midnight to midday from 12 to 12, right? We call AM or anti-meridian here. Anti-meridian, that is before midday, we call AM, right? Then here from midday 12 to midnight 12 we call PM or post meridian. Okay, have you got the idea? Yes, I think it is better to note down this one. What is AM and what is PM? AM means anti-meridian and PM post meridian. Note down this one, what we call AM and PM. So you can note down midnight to midday we call AM and midday to midnight we call PM. Sorry?
Can you give me a minute?
I can't hear you. Sorry?
I note it down.
Right, okay. I'll give time. 5 minutes enough, I think. Right? Have you finished? Right. Here the period of time from 12 midnight of one day to 12 midnight of the next day is called a day. Same thing I have explained before. The hour hand completes 2 rounds of the clock during a day. Those things you already know. So I note down these. Right? Do you want to note down? I think no need. Right? Then we are going to reading time in 24-hour clock. I think you already know how to read time in 24-hour clock because you have learned these things in grade 5. Right? These things again same thing I have explained. Right? The day starts at midnight. This time is denoted by this way. How many zeros? 4 zeros. We are denoting this by using 24-hour clock, right? Then the anti-meridian time is read by considering the numbers from 1 to 12, and the post-meridian time is read by considering the number from 13 up to 24. That means the times we are reading in AM time, how we can read? As just the numbers 1 to 12 we can read, but after 12 p.m. we are writing the time from 13 to 24. Have you got the idea? Right. Okay. The day ends at midnight. This time is denoted by like this 24 and double dot. Sorry, double zero. Okay. Have got the idea? Right. The time is written in International Standard form as follows. First you have to write hours, then minutes, then seconds. Right? I think you have to note down this one. I will give example for you. Normally as standard form we are first write the hours, then minutes, then second. Just think now what's the time now? It's 8:34. So how we can write this? By using standard form. Think now we don't have seconds, right? So now I want to write the time just now in standard form. So how I can write? Now in morning time, so first hours we have to write using 1 to 12. So we have to use 4 digits. So hours we can write 0 and 8, then double dots. Then how many minutes? I think now 35. Then minutes we can write 3 and 5. Like this we have to represent time in International Standard form. Right, note down this one. Yes. This one you can write down as example. Right, okay. Alia? Okay, right then. Right. Right. Look at this one now. Here all the times we are writing now in standard form. Right. Here from 1 am we are writing 0, 1, then 0, 0. 2, like that we can write 0, 2, 0, 0. Like that when it's come to midday 12 pm we are writing 12 and 2 zeros, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like that we have to write. Okay. Right? Then look at this chart. Here same thing we have written, right? One name we can write in standard form. In between two numbers we have to put double dot. Here 0, 1 double dot, then 2 zeros. Likewise think 3 pm the time we are writing 15 double dot, then double zeros. This one I have given to study for you. I think in textbook also this chart is there. Okay, have you got the idea how to write in standard form AM and PM? Right. Then we have to move to the exercise, right? Exercise 4.2 in your textbook. Turn to that one. Right? There is a table. The question is, the following table provides information on the time of departure of several flights flying out from the Bandaranaike International Airport. Copy the table and fill in the blanks. Right, first one, destination they have given Kuala Lumpur. Time of departure, time according to the 12-hour clock they have given 7:05 am. Then in standard form how we can write? Standard form in AM time we have to use 1 to 12, then 7 am we can write as just this one, but we have to write that one in 4 digits. So how we can write? This one we can write 0, 7 double dot, then 0 and 5. Okay. Right? Next one, Trivandrum. they have given standard form 8:25. So you can identify this one also from 1 to 12 time, that means AM time. Then just you can write 8:25 AM. Right? Okay. So remaining things, how many questions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. Another questions are there. So can you complete now? Right, draw the table and complete it. Right? Shall we discuss the answers?
Teacher, please.
Okay. enough. Shall we discuss now? Right here, look at the board now. Here, can you switch on your camera? I can't see you. Right? Next one, Singapore. The time is given in PM, 7:10 PM. That means after 12. Then what happened? We have to add 12 to this value. 12 plus 7, how much? 19. Then this time should be 19. Then double dot 10. Here they have given next one 19:15, that is in standard form. So you have to write in 12-hour clock. So what you have to do is you have to subtract 12 from the given time. Given time is 19:15. From that you have to subtract 12. Then what's the time? Here 15 is remaining same. 9 minus 2, 7. Then time is 7:15 PM. Next one 10:30 AM. So you have to just write same value 10 double dot 30. Next one 19:55. Then you have to subtract 12 from this. $19.55. You have to subtract 12 from this. Then 9 minus 2, 7, 55. Answer is 7:55 PM. Then 6:45 PM. How you can write? You have to add 12 for that, because that is PM time. Then answer is 18:45. Right, next one 8 they have given. That means the time should be in AM time. It should be 8 AM. Next one 11:10 AM. What's the time then? In standard form, what's the time then? AM means just write the same value. Then 11 double dot 10. That's only 20 and 30. That means it is PM time. From that you have to subtract 12. Then what's the time? 30 has remained like this. Then 10 minus 2, 8. Then time is 8:30 PM. Right, next one 1:25 PM. Then you have to add 12 to this value. 12 plus 1, 13. Then 13:25. Right? Have you got all correct? Right. Then we will move to next part. Second question. Rewrite the following sentences expressing the given time in International Standard Form. Right, I will give this one as homework for you. That is in second question in your exercise book. Go through the questions and let me know, is that possible to do or not? Right. Then I'll move to next part. Third one. In that exercise, express the times given in the following table in terms of 12-hour clock. So you have to write time according to the 12-hour clock. You have to write, they have given in standard form. Can you do that also? Right. The next one, representing the date in standard form. Right. We are going to learn how to write the date in standard form. Right. First note down the heading, then I'll explain how to write. Right. We'll see, when writing the date in standard form, first the year, then the month, and finally the day should be written. Think today date, how we can write then? Next one, read 4 digits should be used to represent the year, 2 digits to represent the month, and 2 digits to represent the day. Got the idea? First you have to write the year, then month, finally you have to write the what? Day. Right? Here, this is the format. Right? Right? Can you see that now? The 8th of April 2015 is represented in, this is the format. First you have to write the year 2015, then you have to keep space, no, not the space, you have to write a small dash, then the month is 4th. So you have to write in 2 digits, then next one, date is 8, then that one also you have to write in 2 digits. Got the idea? Right. The time, the day 2015, May 8 ends at 12 midnight is represented by like this, right? So date and time all together you can write. So first you have to write the year, month, date, then time. Midnight, 12 midnights means in 24-hour clock you are writing like this. Then this time can also be written as like this also. Midnight means you can write 24 or 4 zeros you can represent, but the date is changed, right? Here date is 9. Okay, right? First note down this one, then I'll give the example. When writing the date in standard form, first the year, then the month, and finally the day should be written. Note down this one, then I'll give the example. So you can write today date as example, right? Note down this one. Right, okay. I think you have write down the example also. Right, do you need more time? Alright. Okay, we'll see next part then. Now look at the board. I think you have noted down the example also, right? Here, relationships between units of measuring time. Are you ready? Can you switch on the camera? Right? Now we are going to learn relationships between units of measuring time. What are the units we are using to measure time? We already know seconds are using, then minutes and hours we are using to measure time, and also we can use days and weeks, months and years. All those things belongs to time, right? Here, seconds and minutes. What is the relationship? 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Then minutes and hours, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. And days and weeks, months, years already know, I think 24 hours in one day. So 1 day is equal 24 hours. Then for a week there are 7 days, that one also you already know. Then 1 week is equal to 7 days. Then 12 months equal to a year. Then 12 months equal 1 year. Same thing, 52 weeks also equal 1 year. Do you need to note down this? Here I can't hear you. You can put a message to this. Send me a message. Alright, then note down. First write down the heading. This one, relationships between units of measuring time. Right. Then note down this one. 60 seconds equal 1 minute. This one you have to note down, and also this one. Yes, I'll write down 1 day is equal 24 hours. That one you have to note down. Okay. Right? Finish. Just writing.
Writing the A group structure.
Alright, okay. Right. Right. Now look at this chart. Right. How to convert units each other. Right. If you have hours to convert to minutes, what you have to do is you have to multiply that value by 60. Then if you have minutes to convert seconds, what you have to do is you have to multiply it by 60. Then other way, if you have to convert seconds to minutes, you have to divide that value by 60, and also minutes to hours, same thing, you have to divide that value by 60. I think you should note down this. Then we are going to do the exercise. Right. Right, exercise 4.4, express each of the following times given in second in terms of minutes. So what you have to do, all the values they have given in seconds, you have to convert those to minutes. So what you have to do, here seconds you have to convert to minutes. Then what you have to do, you have to divide all values by 60. I'll do first two questions, then remaining you have to do alone. Right, first one, 60 seconds. So what you have to do, 60 you have to divide by 60. What is the answer? When you divide 60 by 60, answer is 1. Then you have to write units. What are the units? We are going to convert minutes, then answer should be in minutes. Answer is in minutes. Next one, I'll do fourth question, 300 seconds. Same thing you have to do, 300 you have to divide by 60, then answer should be what? We can cut 0 and by 6 we have to divide 30. For 6, 1, then for 30 how many 6 are there? 5. Then answer is 5 minutes. If you are difficult to do like this, you can go the long division method. Then 300 you have to divide by 60. We can remove the 6. For 30 how many 6 are there? 5. 6 into 5, 30. Then same answer you will get. Okay. Right, can you start to do the remaining questions? There are another 4 questions. Do those now. Now can you hear? Right. I have written the answers. Now you can check the answers, right? Second question 2 minutes. Then third one 4 minutes. Then fourth one I have already done. Then fifth one, here you have to divide by 6, then 20 minutes. Answer is here. Then last one 3600, you have to divide by 60. Then answer is 60 minutes. Right? Have you checked the answers? Yes. Right. Shall we move to next question then? Exercise 4.4, express each of the following times given in seconds in terms of minutes and seconds. Right? So you have to convert the values they have given in seconds. You have to convert those to minutes and seconds. Right? So what you have to do? Here, minutes in seconds. What you have to do? Minutes you have to convert to seconds. Then you have to multiply it by 60. First one 75 seconds. So what you have to do? Sorry, the question asks, just you have to write these values in minutes and seconds, not to multiply, right? 75 seconds. First you have to separate into two parts. How you can separate that one? Write this one. 75 seconds you can separate like this. 60 seconds and again 15. I can write this one as plus 15 seconds. When you add these two together, you can get 75. Is that okay? Right? Then they ask the answer in minutes and seconds. So you can convert 60 seconds is equal to how many minutes? When you divide 60 by 60, answer is 1. Then you can write this one as 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay. Got the idea, I think. Right. Then next one also I will do for you. 100 seconds. So how I can separate this one? 100 seconds. If you have 2 minutes, the answer should be again how much? 120. But now we have here 100. So I can separate this one. 60 plus how much? 40 seconds. Is that okay? Because we want to write those in minutes, right? Then 60 seconds means 1 minute and you can write this one as 40 seconds. Okay, right? There are remaining 4 questions. I'll keep this one for you. Now you can do that. 150. How I can separate? 2 minutes means how many seconds? 120 seconds. So you can that separate 120 plus 30. Right. Now do. I'll give 5 minutes. Right, have you finished? Right, this one we can write 120 plus 30, that means 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Next one 200 seconds, so I can write 120 plus 20, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Next one 250, so you can write how many seconds? 240 plus 10, that means 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Right, last one 325, so you can write 300 plus 25. This one you can write as 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, have you got all correct? Right. Right. So, for today, I plan up to here. Then next day we have to do the addition and subtraction of the minutes, seconds, and also I think hours, days also there. Right. Those things I will explain next day. Right. I think the things what we have learned today is clear for you. Are there anything to ask?
No doubts, teacher.
Okay, right? Then I'll do the remaining part next day, right? Then on Monday, can you join with me, or is it easy for you doing in Saturday?
I think I'll ask Mama if Monday will do it easy.
Right. Then say